From the driver's seat of your car, you can view your artwork on a taxi as it travels beside or in front of you. Select the vehicle type that your artwork will be displayed on. Click Confirm. To add your artwork, simply click on the Upload Artwork button, locate your desired file, and click to select it. Then confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm button. Once you click on the Upload button, the system will check if you have any available uploads. Each upload allows you to input one design into the Drive Your Art platform and use that design in any or all of the customizable environments. If you do not have an available upload in your account, you can purchase additional uploads at driveyourart.com. Your remaining upload count will always be visible in the top right corner of your screen. Select where on the road the taxi will appear in relation to your vehicle. Your artwork will travel on the taxi alongside you on a one-way street, moving towards you in a two-way traffic passing on the left side of your vehicle, or crossing an intersection so that the taxi will travel directly in front of you. This option will provide you with the optimal viewing experience of your ad. Select your option by clicking the option you want. Click Confirm. Drive by your art in one of 3 differently sized vehicles. Select by clicking the vehicle of your preference to experience your artwork from different angles. Click Confirm to continue. You are now in the 3D environment you've created. In taxi environments, you will enjoy a fully automated drive experience. Simply click the Drive Approach button and your vehicle will automatically drive the entire path. You can look left and right using your keyboard arrows or clicking the left or right buttons that appear on screen. Clicking the Restart Drive button will return the vehicle to the beginning of the path. The orange button in the top left corner accesses the flyout menu. Clicking this opens a panel that lets you customize and adjust your environment. Next, by clicking on Weather, you can fine-tune the weather conditions, such as rain, daylight, and controlling the angles of the shadows. Once you have finalized your choices, click the X to close the box. To adjust the drive speed of either your vehicle or the speed of traffic, adjust the numbers to simulate the speed you want to experience. You have the option to save this environment, allowing you to revisit this exact setup or share it with a client by clicking Save Environment. The Restart Builder button takes you to the Select Advertising Product page where you can start a new configuration to test your artwork in a different environment. In the top right corner, the Update Artwork button, which will take you to the Artwork Selection screen. You can also return to the home screen to start creating a new environment or click Log Out to exit the program. Additionally, under the system settings, you can bring back the helpful pop-up tips for future sessions. For more information, visit driveyourart.com, where you can find full tutorial videos and frequently asked questions. To record your experience and share it with clients and colleagues, click the recording button on the bottom panel. You'll be prompted to enter a file name for your video. After naming your recording and clicking Save, the simulation will begin automatically. Once the path is complete, your video will be saved in MP4 format in your Drive Your Art folder. You'll be directed to your File Explorer, where you can easily copy, paste, or drag the file to your preferred location. Now you're all set to drive your art.